everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen, bringing you our workshop class in our workshop room. And it will be divided into the two sections of our class because our class will be divided into foundations and flow. During the foundation, we will go through the alignments, the modifications, the movements of the body, and the structure of the foundations as well. But please don't think about those four: alignment, structure, movement, and foundation as separate things. They're not necessarily separate things. We are going to unify them into our cues and how we do things. Yeah. The second section is the flow, where we bring everything together. What else do I need to tell you before we get into it? I think that's it. So access in our Mad Yogi Tribe Facebook group, and on madyogi.net, our website, in the new workshop room, which will be available very soon, and how the class is divided into our functions and the foundations rather, and our flow. And let's get on to it.